It has been more than 2 weeks since the deadly shooting and lockdown on our campus, and still many questions remain unanswered. We still don't know the motive. Why did this tragedy unfold?
And what has the university learned from its response? Our Stephen Schlink sat down with the Chancellor to find out what the university has learned since that Monday afternoon when that horrific 911 call came in.
It started with a 911 call.
There's an active shooter on campus.
What followed a massive response, fear, confusion, and uncertainty, even for Chancellor Kevin Guskiewicz.
At 1 o'clock, I was in the middle of a Zoom meeting that I had to very quickly exit and really pull the team together and move into an emergency response situation.
From there, sirens blared as our campus launched into a more than 3-hour lockdown.
Dangerous person, go inside.
Alerts took over screens, and perhaps one of the most discussed pieces of the warnings was what some have called a lack of information from the university's alerts.
We knew that the worst thing that we could do would be to communicate inaccurate information out, and this is why I know there was some frustration we heard on behalf of people. In real time, we're trying to, let our public safety experts manage this and to work closely with our communications team to decide what should be communicated and when.
Guskiewicz says this incident serves as a learning opportunity.
This is going to provide an opportunity, as I said, to learn from this situation with the heightened awareness to work toward a more perfect protocol and response, hoping that we will never have to activate such a plan again.
Another point of contention was many students' claims of buildings on campus that had doors which didn't lock, something Guskiewicz says the university is already working on.
We're committed to that, and that process has already begun to better understand where there were difficulties locking down certain spaces and rooms.
He also has this message for students who are still uneasy about returning to campus.
A lot of this is around just the community coming together and stepping up to support each other. We all have a role to play in protecting each other from such violence.
In Chapel Hill, Stephen Schlink, Carolina Week.